Hey guys, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial here on psdbob.com YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm just gonna quickly show you how to use the remove tool to remove any unwanted object from your photo. So in this case, I'm gonna remove this butterfly tattoo of the baby's neck. Just wanted to give you a brief introduction of this remove tool. It's basically a new feature that's just introduced with the latest Photoshop. It's AI driven. So unlike traditional methods, it leverages machine learning to analyze your image and then fill the removed area seamlessly. All right, let's get started. Basically, you're gonna zoom in to the image a bit, and then next we're just gonna grab the remove tool, which is located here. In this case, I'm going to set the brush size to 18, and then I'm going to enable find distractions and just use the auto mode. And then we're going to turn on the sample content from all visible layer. Once you've done that, we're just going to draw a rough outline of this butterfly. So it doesn't have to be perfect. So just like that. And then once you're happy with your selection, just either hit enter or just press this tick button to apply the remove tool. It's going to take a few seconds, and then yeah, as you can see, it's the tattoo is fully gone, and it's basically leaving a perfect skin texture here because it's grabbing the skin nearby the butterfly tattoo and then just use this AI technology to analyze and then just find the perfect texture for the to replace the butterfly tattoo. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you very much and have a great day.